Hey, I've got this charcuterie board set. This is by Woodenhouse. Now, they did gift this to me. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. All right, so we've got this tray here. We've got our two little bowls with the spots right here. That looks amazing. Nice. This right here is the star of the show. Get out of here. I love it. I absolutely love this. All right, here it is fully set up. We're ready to have a little get together. We got all the fruit, some... Was that cranberries? Mm-hmm. Cranberries. Getting ready to cut the brie cheese. This thing is perfect for entertaining. Look at this. Look at this presentation on here. That's awesome. So, fruits, cheese, crackers. We got the berries and some nuts there in the little bowls. So, if you're ready to elevate your next get-together or party, definitely got to get this. Now people know what they're getting into. That is really cool. That's just a great idea. Totally elevates this whole experience. I'm very impressed with this. And then, of course, you're getting this board as well, which you can go ahead and we can set this off to the side. So this is just an elevated, entertaining experience, and it's going to be a conversation piece. People are definitely going to appreciate this at the next gathering. All right, so they give you this maintenance card, things to avoid and how to use it and how to clean it. Very important because this is bamboo. You don't want to ruin it. If this is your first time using one of these, look, they're giving you an entire layout visually, telling you what kind of cheeses to put on here. Antipasta meats, sauces, baked treats, honey mustard, jam, all the different types of cheeses. Definitely check this out. They did a great job with this one. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.